Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you what I eat in a day. All the recipes are vegan, they're super quick and easy, and of course, very tasty. So for me, a quick breakfast on the go that's super tasty and healthy is a smoothie. For this one, I'm using 2 frozen bananas, 2 dates, some LSA powder, some cacao powder, and some protein powder. The protein powder I'm using for this smoothie is chai protein. Then simply add in some water and give it a good blitz until smooth and creamy. Once poured into your favourite glass, you can top it off with some cacao nibs. Then breakfast is served. Now for lunch is a tofu wrap. So I'm just going to quickly cook 2 slices of tofu for about 2 to 3 minutes on either side. Now my favourite wraps are these bee-free sweet potato wraps. So to one of those we're going to smear over some avocado. Then once the tofu is cooked we're going to add that to the wrap. Then I like to add on some cucumber. Some tomato. A drizzle of chipotle mayo, then a generous serving of some kale coleslaw. Simply slice it in half. And there you have a quick and simple and really tasty lunch. Now for snacks, I tend to go for some roasted chickpeas or these great little munch packs of some grapes. Now during the week when I come home from work, I really can't be asked cooking a big elaborate meal, so I tend to do a quick and easy stir fry, which is typically some broccoli and some mushrooms, and also normally some zucchini, but I stupidly left that out of this video, and I usually have that with a sweet potato. Now the simplest and quickest way to cook a sweet potato is in the microwave. So all you need to do is pierce the sweet potato with a fork and then brush it over with some coconut oil. Wrap it up in some paper towel. Then into the microwave on high for 5 minutes. So while our potato is in the microwave, we're going to add some oil into a pan and stir fry our veggies. Now when cooking your vegetables, of course you can use any spices that you like or some soy sauce. I just tend to like mine plain with the flavour of the coconut oil. After 5 minutes, turn the potato over and cook for another 5 minutes. Once the potato is cooked, I like to cut it in half and then sprinkle it with some nutmeg. Add your veggies and then your dinner is done. There you go guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!